Hi there, Christopher Carvalho here, and today I'm joined by my good friend Tomas George.
Hello.
And Thomas is going to show us or teach us how to work out basic chords from any scale.
Yeah. So there's really two main chords or two main triads, and that is a major chord and a minor chord. And a triad means 3-note chord. So 3-note chord is a root, then you have a third, then you have a fifth. And the difference between a major chord and a minor chord for a triad is just the third note. So the root and the fifth is always the same. So in C major, you've got a root, which is a C, and the fifth, count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is using the white notes for this example, is a G. So, and then to make it a major, you add the third. And there's a little pattern I use for working out a major chord or a minor chord, and that is 5, 4, 4 and 5. So 5 and 4 is for a major chord, and 4 and 5 is for a minor chord. So when I say 5 and 4, it's how many semitones you count up, including the first note. So 5 and 4, if we start on C, remember C major, to work out a major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gives us this note here, which is the E, and 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, gives us the fifth. So is a major chord. And you can do 4 and 5 as well to work out a minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or alternatively, you can work out a minor chord by playing a major chord and then just dropping the third by a semitone. So just moving this third by a semitone. So that's just a little pattern to work out a major chord and a minor chord. So if you know the major scale already, it's just the root, the third, and the fifth for a major chord. And if you want to turn that into a minor chord, you can just drop the third by a semitone, or you can just use that pattern 5 and 4 to work out a major chord, or 4 and 5 to work out a minor chord. You get a few other chords as well. You get ones called diminished, which are kind of smaller ones, and you get ones called augmented, which are bigger ones. And the pattern for diminished is 4 and 4. So let's just take C again. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here it sounds a little different. And augmented is 5 and 5. We don't really use this as much, but you can do. So 5 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So different kind of chords. So if you want to be experimental, you can use them. So that's, really my tips for working out chords. So just remember these little patterns: 5 and 4 major, 4 and 5 minor, 4 and 4 diminished, 5 and 5 augmented. And that way you can work out basic triads in any key. Yeah, for any chord.
Cool. So that's really useful stuff. Very useful for anyone making or producing music. So whether you're a producer, a songwriter, engineer, even, it's very good to just have these basics down.
You don't even have to be using the piano or the keyboard. You can do this in musical typing as well.
Yeah.
Just work it all out.
In the piano roll, yeah.
Most important thing is use your ear. But if you're thinking that I might want to try an augmented chord, I might want to try a minor chord, at least now you know how to work that out. You can count up, or you can kind of keep in key and then use the different notes in there.
That's great. So hope that was useful. Thank you very much, Thomas, for coming on and teaching us about that. Make sure that you follow Thomas, subscribe to his channel. The link is just in the description. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.